You want to focus. You try to sit and get things done, but your brain is struggling to stay still. It jumps out of the task, scrolls, gets distracted, and by the end of the day, you feel so drained. Your work is only half done. Your mind is all over the place. See, this is not just your fault. There are hidden blockers in your biology, your habits, and your environment that are quietly killing your focus. And until you understand them, no to-do list, no timer, no productivity app are going to help. So, here are the 3 biggest things that are silently stealing your focus and how to take back control. Blocker 1. Your brain is already tired before you start. Let's say you charge your phone overnight to 100%. Now imagine, within an hour of waking up, you open app after app like Instagram, WhatsApp, Gmail, News, Spotify, and by 10 a.m., your battery is at 20% and you're already looking for a charger. That's exactly what you're doing to your brain. There's something called cognitive energy, your brain's mental fuel. The energy it uses to think, decide, act, and most importantly, focus. Every small action, scrolling, replying, choosing what to wear, drains this energy. For example, take mindless scrolling. It looks easy, but it's one of the most overstimulating things your brain can do. You're switching context, reacting to triggers, comparing yourself, flooding your system with input. And by the time you sit down to do deep work, your mental battery is already flashing red. When your cognitive energy is low, you don't just lose focus, you lose patience, clarity, and decision power. That's why focus feels tough. Your brain doesn't have the fuel left to stay with one thing. Now, how do you fix this? You need to start seeing everything from the lens of energy. You should think, how much energy is this activity going to take from me? And then start protecting your cognitive energy. Plan your high energy tasks when your battery is full. Reduce small decisions in the morning. Plan the night before, like picking out clothes or planning the day. Limit distractions and overstimulation early in the day. When you protect your energy, you'll start to focus really well. Blocker 2. Your brain didn't get its basics. This is what most people get wrong. They try to fix their focus with coffee, planners, or productivity hacks without fixing what the brain needs. Let me break it down. Let's say you have a high-performance race car. To run well, the car needs 2 things: the right fuel and enough rest between races. You can't pour water into the fuel tank and expect it to run. And you can't keep driving non-stop and expect the engine not to overheat. Your brain is the same. It's just 2% of your body weight, but it uses 20% of your body's total energy every day. And to produce that energy, your body needs real nutrients, not junk food, not skipped meals, not sugar highs. You need food that supports your brain chemistry, like proteins to produce neurotransmitters, healthy fats like omega-3s to build brain cells, and micronutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, and zinc for clarity, mood, and memory. So, when you skip meals or eat poorly, your brain is literally running low on raw material. Now, combine poor nutrition with poor sleep, and it gets even worse. Because sleep isn't just rest, it's a time when your brain repairs, resets, and restores. Without it, your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, starts shutting down. Your emotional brain takes over. You get more impulsive, scattered, and distracted. So, eat real food. Prioritize protein, healthy fats, and colorful veggies. Avoid sugar spikes and empty carbs. They drain you fast. Sleep 7 to 8 hours consistently. No screens before bed. 50% of your focus issues will disappear when your brain is well fed and fully rested. It becomes sharp, calm, and powerful, just like it's meant to be. Blocker 3. You are living in reaction mode, and this is very important. Let's be honest. The world doesn't want you to focus. It wants to pull your attention in 100 directions. It wants your clicks, your scrolls, your decisions, and your emotions. Every platform is fighting for your mind because your attention is the most valuable currency in today's world. And the scary part is, most of us have let them pull our minds in different directions and made it standard. We wake up and we react to notifications, to news, to someone else's urgency. We spend our day answering, checking, and jumping from one task to another. We don't choose what to focus on, we just react to what the world throws at us. This is what we call reaction mode. And when you live here long enough, your focus gets hijacked completely. When you are in reaction mode, your brain is constantly switching tasks, and your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for deep focus and clarity, it starts to shut down. Instead, your limbic brain takes over. You start chasing dopamine, quick hits, short wins, urgent feelings, but you lose the ability to stay, to think deeply, to build something that matters. Your attention gets fragmented, and over time, you start feeling restless, unfulfilled, and scattered.